Welcome back to Gardening from Start to Finish. This is Mike. I decided this morning to take a little nature walk again, so I guess we're going to do another plant ID. Lots really popped up just since the last one, which wasn't that long ago, maybe a little over a week. But last time I had showed you guys these yellow trout lilies, and I wanted to show you here they're all in bloom all over this forest floor here today. Remember, they hold their blossoms down towards the ground. Why that is, I'm not sure. It might be a certain type of bug that maybe crawls up the stem and pollinates it from that direction, or something like that. It's hard to tell, but they're in bloom all through here today. I missed them last year, so it's kind of cool to see them this season because they're very short-lived. The blossoms don't last very long. So, some other stuff is starting to pop up through here. I'll show you over here. This one I'm pretty sure everybody knows. This is your mayapple. And you'll see right on the inside, right here, that's a flower bud. And it's gonna have a white flower. I believe it's 5-petaled white flower that pops up underneath of the main leaves. This plant right here growing up beside some of these yellow trout lilies, this is garlic mustard, which is actually extremely invasive. Has a white flower to it, very small tiny white flower, usually in clusters. Typically wherever you find garlic mustard, though, you start to find morel mushrooms, and it's just about that time of year. The mushroom season's been kind of slow so far. We're off to a slow start. We really haven't had a long succession of warm nights. We did get some pretty heavy rainfall over the last couple of days, so I'm going to keep my eye out as I walk around here and see if we can find some morels as well. Here's another plant probably a lot of you are familiar with. Goes by the name cleavers or catchgrass, multiple names. You'll notice the leaves are kind of in a circular pattern around the stem. This is oftentimes when you go hiking through the woods or something and you come back and you have those little burrs stuck all over your shoelaces. They're like Velcro. Those are the seeds actually from this plant right here. This can be used medicinally as a diuretic, as a tonic, as well as some other uses. Here we have your common jack-in-the-pulpit emerging up out of the ground. And if you lift this up, you'll see that that's the actual flower right here. And this will get very deep, kind of a almost maroonish color as it matures and grows a little bit. There's a whole bunch of these coming up right here. There's a fairly common tree, and I hope you guys can see it. The sun's kind of coming straight at me here. But this purple haze, purple pink, it's coming all throughout the forest canopy here. I walked on the other side of the property a little bit into another ravine. This is your eastern redbud, a very common spring flower. And also over here, very large grove of mayaples popping up through the floor. We have some pawpaws, small pawpaw grove too. It's actually down over this way. I'd show you, but there's nothing really to see at this point. There's no leaves coming out on them. Here's actually, while I'm here, this is your tent caterpillar. Really loves cherry trees. And this, yep, this is a cherry. This is a black cherry. And you can see these little guys are hard at work. They will probably have this tree defoliated in a matter of a few days. Here's a few of those pawpaw trees. I figured they were getting close, but they're not quite ready yet. These are actually the flower buds, in which these will come out almost a deep purple color. There's a whole bunch of them in through here. This is all pawpaw. There's quite a few of them. They get an edible fruit, not generally ripe up until close to fall, usually September or something like that. Kind of has a banana custard flavor to it. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Probably by the time I splice all these videos together, it's going to be another long one. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.